Thank you for joining us for the final 2012-13 segment of BPS Soundbites. Biology teacher Ryan Silsick of Edgewood Junior Senior High School recently received the 2013 Outstanding Biology Teacher Award from the National Association of Biology Teachers. This honor, given annually since 1961, identifies a teacher from each of the United States, Puerto Rico, and Canada who has made valuable contributions to the profession and to students. Criteria for the award include teaching ability, experience, creativity, initiative, teaching strengths, and collaboration in the school and community. In November, Silsick will be honored at the Outstanding Biology Teacher Awards Honors Luncheon in Atlanta, where he will be presented the Outstanding Biology Teacher Certificate of Award. He will also receive state-of-the-art binoculars and a quality microscope. Silsick has been teaching biology at Edgewood for 10 years. In addition, he serves as the Science Department Chair, Science Research Teacher, and Marine Science Teacher. He has previously been named the Florida Science Teacher of the Year by the Florida Association of Science Teachers, has twice been selected as a Space Coast Science Education Alliance Exemplary Science Teacher, and has been inducted into the Harris Corporation Science Teacher Hall of Fame. Throughout the summer, BPS TV will provide specialty programming in lieu of BPS Soundbites, which will return this fall. Thank you and have a great summer.